feel really very proud and honored to receive this prize, and we would like to express our gratitude and thanks, high appreciation to our dedicated teams to make these achievements possible. And as the ministry, we will remain just committed to make better social protection systems and safeguard children's rights. The Foster Family Project makes a foster care management life cycle much faster and easier, simpler by digitizing the entire process. And since its launch, 56 children have been placed with foster families, while regular digital monitoring helps ensure their safety and well-being. Technology has the greatest value when it impacts and when it improves people's lives. And our case, our initiative shows how technology makes better social protection systems and improves the lives of vulnerable children.
Thank you. We are very proud for receiving this award. Bu mükafat Azərbaycanın sosial sahədə rəqəmsal transformasiya istiqamətində növbəti beynəlxalq uğurudur. Bu uğur üçün əziyyəti çəkən hər kəsə təşəkkür edirik. Nazirlik olaraq bundan sonra da innovativ və insan mərkəzli xidmətlərin inkişafında töhfə verəcəyik. Təşəkkür edirik.